Hello traders. Sorry, I want to apologize for my delay. It's been a very long time ever since I uploaded the video, and today is another day. It's another brand new day. Anyway, I'm trading with 5 minute chart, okay, and with 5 minute expiring time here, okay. So let's analyze USCAD and see what we can get from it. My investment amount is $10 at the moment. So now, as you can see, we have a downtrend. Okay, we have a downtrend here, and look at this strong rejection. There's a round number 900, a very strong one. That is where we can see buyer's entry. So we can possibly continue the market down, especially when this candle close. This could be a retracement candle because we have a level here, as you can see. Market keep rejecting here. So if this candle try to close below this or even above, somehow one way or the other, we can still go with a lower option and see what we've got from there. Probably, I think we are left with about 1 minute for this candle to close. Okay, let's see how this candle will close. Very important. Okay, you need to wait for the right opportunity. Okay, it is already downtrend. This point is minor downtrend. As you can see, it is minor downtrend. We have strong sellers entry from here. We got a rejection. Sellers, the buyers entered from here, but they were not able to continue. Then sellers entered strongly. It means that we still have sellers here. Sellers are very strong here. Despite we have this round number here, but I believe this strong candle will reverse the market when there is during the momentum like this. But the momentum is actually broken here too. So let's see what will happen. I'll go with a lower option because there's no level here for me to say that, hey, market, but there's a round number here that can also signify. Okay, we are having a rejection. So here we can simply go with the lower option and see what will happen from there. Let's see what will happen. Sometimes you can analyze the market the way it's supposed to be, but you can't control the market. So the chance of losing is very high. The chance of winning is also very high. But you need to wait for the right opportunity. Analyze the market, understand, explain yourself. How do you get it? How do you understand it before you can go ahead and hit your trade? Okay, that is the most important thing in there. So let's see what will happen from here. I know someone will go with a higher option from here, but the advice is take a lower option because of this level. There's a low number here, so let's see what will happen. We have about 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes 30 seconds to go. Good. See what will happen here. I think buyers are still showing much interest in the market from here. It's a breakout. We have a round number here. Okay, let's see. We can still go with, even if we lost this trade, we can still go with martingale. Okay, we can still go 5 minutes down again. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, so if this does not touch here, you can continue to go with the lower option. But let's see. Let's focus on this one first. Okay. Something is happening here. Okay, we can continue to go with the lower option here. $20. Shit, this is late entry. Anyway, this is a late entry. Okay, I hit another 1 minute here. You see, I hit 1 minute. I continue to hit one more trade here because of the downtrend, because of the level here. I'm expecting this one to close a bearish. Actually, I placed another trade here because of the late entry. In case I don't win this one, it should be it should actually at least recover my loss, maybe $2.5. That will be the loss I'll be losing. But in case I win, then it means at least I won $15 straight up. And for sure, this I believe will be a win trade, because this one, the analysis didn't go well. So I decided to go with Matinga $20. That is how come I ended up having it down there $15. And this one also, probably if I win, if it turns out to be a bearish candle, then it means that I'll be winning for $20, meaning double trade here. Because of my late entry, I decided to take the trade here when it hit the level. This is simply to tell you that market will reverse here. If it doesn't reverse and it go back up again, then I'm losing double. You need to take the risk, you need to take the risk. So both, we have about 1 minute to go, 1 minute 30 seconds to go. 36 seconds at the moment. 1 minute 31 seconds left, and we are strongly in profit. You can't trust this one. Anything can happen. You can't trust it. Anything can happen. But this one, I believe it can be a win trade. You see what is happening here? That's what I'm saying, that you can't trust this one. Anything can happen. So let's wait for the results. Now we have 19 seconds. Let's see. Okay, they are both win trade. So we can, like I said, we can't trust this one. We can't trust it because of the way I saw it moving up and down. It was fluctuating, so there is a need to stay away from it. Anyway, we want both double trade. Don't practice double trade because it is not going to help you. If you are a newbie, don't practice double trade. Don't try it. Okay, it's not a good thing. But to save some losses, be sure of the double trade you want to hit before. Okay, like you can see, there was level here. I have a level here. That is why when market got here, I got to realize, no, there's a need to go with double because it will reverse. And I didn't risk much. I just risked $10 in addition. So I lost 10, I made 15, I made 30 plus, so meaning $20 profit. So that is a very good thing. So trade wise, always use money management. Here, actually, my money management is not really key because I have a personal goal I'm targeting, so I'm not really using 1% to 2% or 1% to 3% of my account. But I advise that if you are new, go with financial strategy. Okay, the financial strategy is use about 1 to 3% of your account balance. So if you have $100, you trade with 1 to 2% or 1 to 3% of your balance. Okay, gradually you have to grow. Gradually you will grow your account. This is it. I have an example here. I don't know, I think I have one here. No, this is only trade. It's a key option. As you can see, I started with 60. I'm not really using the money management scheme. As you can see, 3% off. 3% of per trade is 3% of my balance, but I'm not really using that now, for now, mainly because I have a target, and I am sure about my trade I'm hitting. So I have about 71 days that I'm trying to hit. I have about 71 days, but at the end of the day, I think I will make more and more than that because I'm not really going with the money management. But I advise you Don't play with it. Go strictly with money management. And to be honest with you, if you have the experience, then they can take away money management and try to trade the way you want to trade. Okay, it will help you. I am telling you the fact, it will help you. Don't risk your capital in the market. Always be safe. Thank you for watching my video once again. It's been quite long, but I assure you that how